Here are 10 body detoxifying drinks along with their detailed health benefits. 1. Lemon water. Hydration. Drinking lemon water enhances hydration, as lemons make the water more palatable, encouraging increased water consumption. Vitamin C. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, immune function, and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Digestive aid. Lemon juice stimulates bile production in the liver, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Its acidity also helps in breaking down food more efficiently. 2. Green tea. Antioxidants. Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which protects cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Metabolism boost. Compounds in green tea can increase fat oxidation and improve metabolic rate, aiding in weight management. Detoxification. Green tea supports liver health by increasing antioxidant levels in the liver, enhancing its detoxifying capacity. 3. Apple cider vinegar drink. Acid-base balance. Despite its acidic taste, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping maintain optimal pH levels. Digestion. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which aids digestion by increasing stomach acidity, improving protein breakdown, and nutrient absorption. Detox. It helps detoxify the liver by binding to toxins and facilitating their excretion. 4. Ginger tea. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, reducing pain and swelling. Digestive health. Ginger stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, which aid in digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. Immune support. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties help fight off infections and strengthen the immune system. 5. Cucumber mint water. Hydration. The high water content in cucumbers aids in maintaining hydration and helps flush out toxins through urine. Cooling effect. Both cucumber and mint have a cooling effect, soothing the digestive tract and reducing bloating. Antioxidants. Cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which combat oxidative stress and protect against chronic diseases. 6. Dandelion tea. Liver health. Dandelion root has been traditionally used to improve liver function by stimulating bile production, which aids in digestion and detoxification. Diuretic. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to eliminate excess fluids and toxins. Digestive aid. It can relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements, supporting digestive health. 7. Turmeric milk, golden milk. Anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, significantly reduces inflammation and has been shown to be effective against chronic inflammatory diseases. Antioxidant. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Liver detox. Curcumin enhances liver function by increasing the production of bile, which is necessary for the digestion and elimination of toxins. 8. Beetroot juice. Blood purifier. Beetroots contain nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery, purifying the blood. Liver health. Beetroot supports liver detoxification processes by increasing enzyme activity and bile production. Nutrient-rich. Beets are high in essential vitamins A, C, B6, and minerals, iron, magnesium, potassium, that support overall health. 9. Aloe vera juice. Digestive health. Aloe vera has natural laxative properties that help with constipation and improve digestion. Detoxification. It aids in the removal of toxins from the stomach, kidneys, spleen, bladder, liver, and colon. Skin health. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce skin inflammation and promote the healing of skin conditions. 10. Matcha green tea. High in antioxidants, matcha contains a high concentration of catechins, particularly EGCG, which provide powerful antioxidant protection. Metabolism boost. The combination of caffeine and catechins in matcha can increase metabolic rate and promote fat burning. Detoxification. Matcha helps detoxify the body by providing chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and toxins and aids in their elimination. Incorporating these drinks into your diet can provide a variety of health benefits, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes and overall wellness. Here are 3 health benefits. Hydration keeps the body hydrated and aids in flushing out toxins. Cooling effect soothes and cools the digestive tract. Antioxidants contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.